Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern San Saba County in west central Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cherokee, moving east at 25 miles per hour. A second severe storm was 5 miles northeast of Cherokee, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
No sugar added.
Source,
Because
radar
when you nurture
indicated.
your kids, you squeeze out the best.
Hail damage
Squeeze
to
out the
vehicles
best
is
with Go-Go
expected.
Sweets. Not enough
Expect
calories
wind
with price
damage
range
to
from 1 to 13 grams of sugar.
trees and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chapel around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Then around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm included S-190 near the San Saba, Lampasas County line. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Texas.